Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how we can make the Shopify checkout UI extension where we can add and remove the add-on product by clicking on the checkbox. So, for example, we have this add-on product, and if you click on this checkbox, this product will be added into the cart automatically. And if I unselect, this will be removed from the checkout as well. So we can make this functionality by using the Shopify UI checkout extension, and you can give merchant option to change the product. For example, if I go here and if I change the product, you can change any related product. For example, I select this one and save this, and if I reload the checkout again, you will notice we have a different product. So you can give merchant option to add whatever the add-on product they would like, and once you click on checkbox, this will be added automatically in the checkout in the cart. So how this is done, let me show you the code. I have installed the Shopify app, then I have generated the Shopify extension, and in my React return function, we have heading, we have pressable component. On press, we set is selected or selected true or false. Then we have InlineLayout where we have the spacing and the column and the padding, etc. And we have a checkbox. This is React when we select or unselect, and then we have the product image, and then finally we have the variant title and the amount. So how we can fetch this variant data? If you go here, and as you can see, we have a useEffect, we get variant data, and we have a sync function, and we query the GraphQL query, and where we pass the ID of the variant. On the product variant, we get the title, price, amount, and currency code, and the image URL, and the product title and featured image URL as well. And then we pass the variable and the ID of the variant ID. From how we are getting this variant ID, as you can go up and see, we have this variant ID. This is coming from the setting.selected variant. We have created this metafield. If you go to Shopify extension.toml file, in the bottom we have created this extension. The key is selected variant and type is variant reference. You can check that from here. We can have different type of the metafields. In this case, we have used the variant reference, and this is the name of select variant, and here we get that variant ID, and then we pass that variant ID to fetch the variant information. And what happens when we select or unselect the variant? We have another useEffect method, and if is selected, we apply CartLineChange. We have this function, and we export it from useApplyCartLineChange. And what happened, the type is addCartLine, quantity 1, and merchandise ID is variant ID. We add that variant into the cart by using this function. Else what we do, we find that variant ID from the cartline.merchandise.id, and if we find that variant, if that is already in the cart, what we do, if we find that, we apply the cart line changes, type remove cart line and the ID CartLine ID, and we remove that variant from the cart. So what happened, when we select, it adds that variant into the cart, and when we unselect, it removes that variant from the cart line. So very simple, very easy. I hope this makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.